Oops, it's 3:30. 3:15. Do I look cute for New Year? Help. Can you get my hair out?
Here?
No, hair.
Oh, from here?
Help.
I'm helping. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, do I look pretty for New Year's? I was gonna wear this red dress, but those tights are not for me and not for walking 10 miles. Nope. No, sir. I would rip my skin off if I wore those today. So this is it. This is the fit. It is what it is. We're doing igloos today, and I don't know what we're gonna do then now. I think we might just go to King's Cross, actually, and I'll show him the Harry Potter area. Okay, I guess we'll see what happens. The Harry Potter shop in King's Cross. I've been here like the last time I was here, they were remodeling. No, that was in 2024. Did I come in January? I don't remember. Oh, this is crazy. This is too much. Excuse me. Trying to decide if there's anything different here than the Harry Potter store that's at the studio tour and also Universal. And I need 2 postcards. Okay, this is all I'll record. I also wanted to record that they have these. It's like a mini version of Hogsmeade. Well, no, I guess Diagon Alley because Ollivander. No, because they have Honeydew. Whatever, it's just a little mini version of a combination of Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade. But it's so cute, and they have a little store. And it's at King's Cross. King's Cross. Yep, okay, that's it. Okay, I've been to London a lot. I've never experienced this before, to my knowledge. This must happen a lot. We've been here for a week, and this is the second time somebody's been...
Yeah, it's already twice.
Is it the, like, New Year's thing where everyone wants to not be here? I mean, I get it.
Well,
I really get it, but...
Optimistically, it could just be their drunken tripped.
Maybe. I don't know.
Matter at that point.
Or what if somebody got pushed? You know? But that's 2 in, like, 4 days.
Yeah,
5
it is.
days.
It is.
Oh. Okay. This is booking office 1869. It was on my list of places to come. At 5:05 every day, they give out free shots. We're not gonna make it to 5:05. It's 3:55. But look how cool it is. It's so pretty, and the trains are right out there. We're now in Canary Wharf. There's people shooting off fireworks over there. Look at our boot. Look.
It may drop a little as you step on, but it will not drift away.
Oi. Oi. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Isn't this awesome?
All Nunu's idea. She gets one, okay.
Very clever.
She gets
If
one.
it's cold, it's not very clever. I love torch.
We're on the water. It is on the water. Those are the igloos we were on. Look, that's what we did. That's what we did. Oh, fireworks are popping off. You hear them?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you guys. We're getting close to 2026. I'm sad. I feel like I'm leaving my mom behind. Everyone says, don't feel like that, don't feel like that. But I do, I feel like that. I feel like I'm leaving her behind.
You are literally carrying her with you. You're literally carrying her with you.
Oh, there's a duck. How do I change the subject? Look at those. We did that. Isn't that so cute?
Is that what we look like floating around?
Yes.
That's so cool.
Just zoom in. Okay. Now we gotta get to downtown London. Here we go. I'm gonna cry. The first time we came to Canary Wharf was right here. That's so cool. We came up from over there. That's really cool. Okay, my hands are frozen. You guys, it is so cold. It feels like, how did she just put her hands in that? Oh my God. Oh my God, my hands are never cold. My hands are freezing cold. And I literally thought that was a person standing next to me. I need more liquor. Fuck. Stop telephoning me. Telephoning me. Cheers, babe. Happy New Year. Look at the dogs. Look at those good dogs. Those are some good dogs. Okay, maybe it's this. We can't find our gate entry. I think this is it. You guys. Okay, we're in orange section and there is no one here. There is no one here. I thought for sure we would be like, oh my God, this is insane. Oh, babe, there's no one here. We're gonna have
the best spot.
Oh my God, this is incredible.
We're going to have the best spot.
I didn't think, I thought, and you can see, oh my God, I'm gonna cry. This is incredible. There's no one here. Oh my God. Holy shit. I for sure, okay, this is what I thought. I don't know if you see. I knew that we were going to be on this walkway here. I thought maybe because we were coming late, we would be back there pressed against the wall. Empty.
We're going to be right down there.
We're going to be... This is incredible. You guys, we could be right here. I don't know. Would this be the spot or should we go like down there? And now we just have to be here for 2 hours. I think I know where I want to be. This is insane. Oh my God. And now we just sit here for like 2 hours. And this is all the alcohol we have. We did 3 shots at a bar nearby or a pub nearby, but we are here. Oh my God. They got the butter done.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mayor of London's New Year's Eve celebration.
It's so dark.
I think I'm gonna turn the brightest up.
So many people get in touch with us via X.
I promise I'm here.
We have 30 minutes or less.
It's like 27.
Wait, let me. I'm wearing gloves. They just turned the lights on and the horn honked and they got to turn down for what? I also wanted to show how many boats came out. Look at that. Rest in peace, visual users.
We have less than 60 seconds.
Oh my God, we see Big Ben. I'm gonna not be okay. I'm not okay. Oh my God, I'm not okay. Why is it not loading? Okay. Oh my God.
When it's sunny, it's too hot. When it's cold, the weather's rubbish. England to me is a cup of tea. How many sugars? I'm sweet enough. England to me is Caribbean barbers with the sharpest trim. It's Christian neighbours saying Happy Hanukkah, mate. And Muslim mums saying Merry Christmas, love. And you think you're seeing flags now? Wait until the World Cup's on. Then you'll know about flags, my son. Because this is what England means to me. It's about loving each other, no matter what colour you are, where you're from, or who your God is. Because this is England. This is the United Kingdom.
It's gay. All right, 2026. Nothing could get worse than 2025, so it's all up from here, I guess. Tabaxi. Oh God. Oh yeah. Notice the fireworks are in front of Big Ben because that's my Apple Watch background. And then I experienced it! Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again. Pull it down. Oh shit. Pull it. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Not while Let It Be is playing in the background. Oh. Look. All right, we're walking back. It's what time? Oh God. 2 a.m. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year. Okay, bye, I think.